Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing Testdisk via Homebrew and granting terminal admin, right, so Testdisk can access drives. Once done, list drives with diskutal list to see identifiers and sizes. Make sure to identify the correct target device like /dev/disk2. Using the wrong disk will overwrite data. Next, run sudo testdisk in terminal to start the interactive utility, choose Create to save a new log file, and select the detected disk to move into partition analysis. You now analyze the disk. Pick the partition table type. Testdisk usually suggests Intel or EFI GPT, so accept the correct one. Then choose Analyze and run quick search to find lost partitions. If results are incomplete, run deeper search for thorough scanning. Once partitions appear, press P to list files on a partition to confirm contents. If files show, mark that partition as primary or bootable as appropriate. This restores the partition table entries and prepares data for recovery, or finally, you recover data. When a partition lists correct files, use copy to export them to an external drive, never the source disk. This preserves integrity. Once you verify recovered data, you can write the new partition structure to the disk. Make sure contents match before confirming. If the drive is unreadable or partitions fail to mount, rerun deeper search, check disk health with diskutal verify disk, or switch to photo rec for file carving as a fallback. These steps cover most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.